How do you make sense of multiple datasets when they exist separately and fail to tell a complete story? With MAPOG, you can bring everything together and compare different data layers on a single interactive map to uncover patterns, gaps, and connections instantly. Start by opening the story.mapog.com and navigating to the Create and Publish Map section. Click Create New Map, then select Blank Map. Click Next, then add a clear title and description to define your map's purpose. Once done, click Create Map to proceed to the map interface. Open the map settings and upload a custom map logo to give your map a more professional look. Then save changes to apply it instantly. Next, go to the GIS Data tool. Select your country and filter down to your specific region. Search for EV charging stations and click Add on Map to include the layer. Similarly, the same way add highways and buildings. After adding the layers, head to Layer Settings and apply Add Layer Styles. Go to the Category section, categorize EV charging stations based on selected attributes, then assign distinct colors and icons. Once complete, save the style. Clear styling improves readability and highlights patterns effectively. Now go to Map Layers, click on the three dots, and select Rename Layer. Enter an appropriate name and save it. Renaming layers helps maintain clarity and keeps your workflow structured. Next, go to Tools and search for the Buffer tool. Select the EV charging station layer as the input layer and choose All as the area. Then, input the range in meters and submit to create a 1 kilometer buffer zone around each EV charging station. This helps visualize coverage and accessibility clearly. Finally, move to the Preview and Share section. Set your map as public or private. You can embed it into websites or share it via links, while enabling geometry filters and sorting options for better interaction. For private maps, use the Add User option to assign roles and enable team collaboration. This ensures multiple users can contribute efficiently. Now bring it all together. By layering EV charging stations with highways and buildings and adding buffer zones, you don't just see locations. You understand accessibility, coverage, and gaps. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, analyzing maps, creating maps, or GIS consultancy, you can write to us at support@theratemapog.com anytime.